Well, as you probably know, tax season is officially here, and this year brings more changes to the tax code than there have been in a decade. With tax reform passed last summer and the IRS opening for filing, many taxpayers are looking for clear answers about what's changed, what still applies. Joining us now is Lisa Green Lewis, CPA and tax expert at Intuit TurboTax, to share the most important tax law changes and tips on how taxpayers can maximize their refunds. Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Good morning.
What are the major tax reform changes that filers should be aware of this tax season?
Well, the key tax changes that people should know about impact whether you're a parent, a homeowner, um, whether you're a beautician, a rideshare driver, 65 and over, or bought a new car. Our survey revealed that 2 in 5 Americans don't know too much about the new tax laws, but what they should know is this year they're expected to see an increased refund of up to $1,000. And some of the new laws, if you're a parent, the child tax credit increased to $2,200 from $2,000. If you're a homeowner, the state and local and property taxes that increased from $10,000 to $40,000. There's a new deduction if you're 65 and over, up to $6,000, and that's in addition to the standard deduction. If you are a beautician or a rideshare driver, there's a new deduction for tips. That's up to $25,000. If you're a firefighter or a police officer, any type of service worker, there's a new deduction for overtime, and that is up to $12,500.
Okay, this is a lot to take in. Yeah, okay. One thing we constantly hear is file early, file early. Why does filing early matter?
There's several reasons. One, the refund. The majority of people do get a refund, and the average refund last year was over $3,000, and this year it's expected to increase up to $1,000. And then also, you don't want to procrastinate. People that procrastinate tend to leave important things out that can cost them money, like a receipt for a valuable deduction. That can cost you money on your taxes.
All right, what are the most common mistakes taxpayers make?
I would say, just procrastinating, waiting until the last minute, not gathering your documents like your W-2s and 1099s and leaving those documents out, or a receipt that's worth valuable deductions. And then for parents, the IRS, they do state that one of the common mistakes is gathering the correct Social Security numbers for your kids.
Mm.
And you need the accurate Social Security number to claim those important deductions and credits for your kids. For instance, the earned income tax credit for a family with 3 kids, that's up to $8,046. And then there's some people that don't file at all when they could be getting a refund back. Some people make under the IRS income threshold, which for tax year 2025, it's $15,750 if you're single, $31,500 married filing jointly.
Mhm.
But if you've had federal taxes taken out and you may be eligible for a refundable credit like the earned income tax credit, you should file to get that money back.
This is a really confusing time of the year for me. All right, how can people file their taxes for free and find help?
Yes, so there are options out there that are absolutely free, unlike some services that charge, they say they're free, but they charge
Mhm.
for state taxes. With TurboTax, you can use our TurboTax free edition if you have a simple tax return. So that's a W-2, some credits for kids, student loan interest, and the new deductions that I just talked about. You can file your federal and state for free.
Wow.
And then we also have an option if you are new to TurboTax and do your taxes on your mobile using our mobile app. You can file your federal and state taxes for free, regardless of your complexity. So you can be self-employed or a homeowner, it doesn't matter. And it's absolutely free. And that's until February 28th.
Amazing. All right, where can people go to learn more?
you can go to turbotax.com. And also, if you need an expert to do your taxes for you, you can hand your taxes over to them with TurboTax.
Experts are always great. Thank you so much for being with us, and I hope you have a great tax season as well.
Thank you.